guys, we are making pomelo juice. Shout out to Tang. This is my favorite drink. It's called pomelo. So first we will need like a tumbler or a baso or like this. And then the pomelo tea, like Tang, like, and then this.
Ano yan?
It's water. Okay. So that's all what we need, and we need this. So first, we will put this in the cup.
Huwag mo nang lakihan, Inday.
Hirap.
Huwag madami ha, matamis yan. Bilisan mo.
Very lang.
Oh.
Nandito na, kaya isi-shake it na natin. Shake it up! Shake it up! Boom, boom! Shake it up! Shake it up! Boom, boom! Shake it up! Shake it up! Okay, tapos na. Lalagyan na natin. Wait for part 3. Ito yung part 2, ah.